the light.
So Red, real quick, why did you do those body spots independently?
Yeah, because they were like small dents and waves from the previous, body work job, which is, wasn't straight, it was like a little wavy, and you cannot see it, I mean, you see it only when you put the car outside, because you can see it with the light, with the shine, exactly, yeah. Because even when you pass your hands like this, sometimes you don't feel them because they are so small. So, and when you paint the car without fixing them, you're gonna see all
same
this,
thing. You be there.
Yeah, you're gonna see like waves, on the paint or the door or the
So it's
parts.
almost once again we chronological order. Everything is a step.
Exactly. Yeah, we have to take care of these, small dents
First,
and
smooth it out,
them,
block
them
it.
out. Yeah. Then put the primer on them. Then when you paint the car, you don't have any issue.
Right.
But all these standing area, these are dents and the waves.
Low spot.
Yeah, low spots. Yeah. This car is clean, but has a lot of small dents. When you put the car outside and you see with the light, you're gonna see these small dents and small imperfection. So this side is already done. Today hopefully jump to the other side, get it done, and will be a couple of days. Then car will be ready for primer.
Whenever we do strip a car, we don't just get it and strip it all the way to the metal immediately when we first get the car, because we like to see any low and high spots that you might not see once all of the paint and everything is off of the car. It's a good way to kind of mark it, and kind of kill all of those low spots.
When you look at the car in the beginning, you say like, oh man, it's another bundle here. I mean, that's not bundle, that's a little putty. But this area here was waves.
The spots that was on the car that we were correcting came from the preparation of the over paint that was done on the car by another shop. If you don't block it flat, every time you add another layer of primer, paint, clear, that deviation is going to carry on to the next stage.
So you have to, when you apply the bundle or the putty, you have to block it. You have to block it. I mean, the DA helps you a little bit, to smooth it out a little bit. But the right way to do it is with your hand, with these blocks we have. So that's the only way, make sure the whole side is like straight the right way.
We did take a lot of the stuff apart. If you notice, all of the moldings, the trim, the emblems, the door handles, all of that stuff has been removed. It's going to give you a better fit and finish when you paint, so you don't have chip from the clear, for the owners of the car, the followers of the 96, the spoiler that's on the rear was removed, the bumper, all of the lights, everything that we could take off the car, we took off, to get a real good finish. But like I said, the car overall was in a good shape, so that's why we call this video here a quick, pretty much you've seen some of the videos once we started. This side, all of the low spots have been pretty much body work, almost ready for primer. And then we'll go to the other side, same process, prime it. We have to, the customers actually add 26s, so it's another fit before paint. We got to mount up some 26s on here. We have a set in stock that we can pretty much use as a test until he's ordering brand new, so we know custom rims will be 6 to 8 weeks before we actually get his wheel in. But luckily we have another set of 26s, spare rims here where we can do test fits. We got 7-inch lips, we got 5-inch lips based off of the whatever type of demand that they want. So that's what we got going on here now with Bruce Chevy. So one of my guys, he's here, he's a local guy in Orlando, so we definitely gonna put our all in here. And so anybody that he's around, they'll know what VTSV Auto can do. So stay along. It's gonna be more of a quick job, but it will be a candy, so it's gonna look real good. I think this would be something to show you how we can like a lot of people say, man, a lot of the stuff y'all doing is, well, you know, this is a job that's going to be a lot faster than our other jobs, because we don't have to take it off the frame, we don't have to do a motor swap, we don't have to build custom suspension. You know, there's a lot of other things that we did to those, but we also like to do things like these. We got a sneak peek, another 75 that's coming in, that's not going to be a frame off restoration beyond the other ones that we have. It's going to be another quick paint. Just bought it and 30,000 miles on it, so it's in great shape. All we're doing is going to paint it and just put it back together, not a frame off. So you'll be able to see what happens if we get a car in that we don't have to do open heart surgery on. All we got to do is the cosmetic nails, pedicure, manicure, and get you on the way. So, we got you covered, man. VTSV Auto.